Good evening, future leaders. I am Winter Glenn M. Saraski. Together with me is Azel Suarez, Shania Jade Sanchez, Mary Rose Season, and Vince Zapanta. And we are the Group 7. Tonight, we will explain the market supply, market demand, and market equilibrium.
What is market supply? The graph shows the market supply produced on given price. It indicates the higher the price, the higher the supply produced.
What is market supply and demand? What is market equilibrium? The graph shows the market demand and the market supply produced on a given price. Market supply indicates the higher price, the higher supply produced, while the market demand indicates that the higher the price, the lower demand will be.
But market equilibrium is when the market supply and market demand meet in the middle, making the market price acceptable to the consumer, receiving the market supply and demanded.